So, day 3 of trying to hunt here south of the Badlands, and I'm out here trying to track that deer that I arrowed yesterday. As you can see, weather conditions have changed quite a bit, which is making finding any sort of blood sign pretty much impossible. And we're dealing with, when I left the car it was 17 degrees, and I'm guessing that we had between 10 and 20 mile an hour winds. So it's pretty cold, as you can see by my beard. So here's the situation. I walked the private property boundary and popped up on top of these buttes here. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's a fence right there. That's where the property line is. I popped up there, right where that fence post is actually, just to see kind of where I was in relationship to where I saw that deer lay down last night. And as I was walking up there, I found blood sign. It was black, so it was definitely yesterday. When I lost track of that deer, I imagine he just pushed through this private property back into public, right then. And as I saw the rest of his herd moving north, I didn't see him. So I'm gonna look through all of this over here, and maybe I'll get lucky, and maybe he decided to bed down and then expired there. But I feel like I'm gonna have to be really, really lucky for that to be what happened. And on top of that, if I don't find him in there, I'm never gonna find him, unless it's just by pure coincidence I happen to stumble across him. But he lost a lot of blood. He was looking in pretty sad shape when I saw him last, and he was doing this like that loud breathing thing and wheezing. So I really hope I can find this deer. I feel terrible as it is, and I'm gonna sit out here and suffer for as long as I can possibly take it before giving up. But what's the bummer now is, like, to get up into this spot here, I'm walking into the wind, and I don't have any. I should have brought some goggles or something, because it's just like ice bouncing off my face. But otherwise, I'm staying pretty warm. My finger's a little bit cold right now because I'm holding the phone, but or the camera. But I'm pretty good at faking high spirits. I am definitely extremely disappointed. I think that this deer is just like superhuman or super deer, super ungulate for surviving I'm about 5, maybe 6 miles from where I stabbed him. It's amazing. And the fact that I found that blood sign, either that's incredibly good luck or I'm just really good at tracking things. I don't know, but I'm going to say that I have incredibly good luck, and I hope that it holds out and I find this guy dead and not eaten by coyotes soon and close to the car as possible. Because right now I'm about 2 miles from the car, which is a long walk in this sort of weather. Anyway, staying warm. Wish me luck.